Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to promote in Twitter, how to promote your Shopify store in Twitter. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open first of all, open Elf site in a tab and now click on the widgets button. Now a drop down will appear. From that, you have to choose Twitter feed. After choosing Twitter feed, you have to click on the Creates widget button. After clicking on Create Widget button, select a template of your choice and now click on the Continue with this template button. After that, click Connect to Twitter button and then click on the Authorize App button. Then after that, scroll down and click on Join to Install button. And now sign up with your Google account. So now here on the left side, you will see Twitter is connected. Now click on the Save button and select the free plan. Now copy the code. After copying the code, go to your Shopify admin page and click on the Online Store button. Now click on the Themes button. And now after clicking Themes button, click on the Customize button. Now again, scroll down and click on the Add Section button. And name it Custom Liquid. And now paste the code on the left space and click on the Save button. Now here you will see the Twitter feed. Open your website page. Reload the page and see the Twitter feed there. So that's how you will promote Twitter in your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.